In addition to that, in today's video, we are going to go over everything that you guys need to know in order to be fully up to date with this market, because I know that you guys are out there. There is large news coming out from a particular country in relation to the cryptocurrency markets, and we also have Cathie coming out and confirming something that we have all been going through. You and your family are making an effort to take pleasure in the holiday season and the celebrations that accompany it. Let this video serve as your one-stop shop for anything you require in the realm of cryptocurrency at the present time. You won't have to continuously checking the charts anymore thanks to this. You do not need to figure out what is going on in this situation. This is going to be the day when we do it. You should keep in mind, however, that none of the films provide any kind of financial advice. It is imperative that you go out and conduct your own research at all times, and that you do not make any financial decisions on the videos that I have provided. So, let's not waste any time and get right into it. There is a current price for Bitcoin that we can observe. The number is 95,974 million. Now, we are in a really precarious position. There is no way to be completely positive at this time unless we break over the resistance level. All right, guys. Where does opposition come from now? That's fine. The next one up is really 97.5, and then we have this liquidity zone here. So we have one sitting where you can just see that we did tap it just a second ago, and it was around $97,600. This pullback, which occurred again here at $99,000 to $100,000, was resistance before it was resistance there. Presently, we are also in possession of our sloped resistance, which served as support. To get back to being bullish, we need to get back above this region where we are currently laying underneath. I know it sounds very basic, but what we need to do is get back above this region. Due to the fact that we have not yet been able to break through the barrier, I believe that as of right now, there will be additional negative developments. One could argue that this is not always a negative thing. All of this is typical. It is important to keep in mind that a retreat of 20 to 40%, or even 55 to 155%, after the most recent bull run was totally natural. Now, I am aware that there are a great deal of disagreements. As a result of there being a great deal more liquidity in the market, there are a great deal more major participants, government agencies, financial institutions, corporations, and so on. Since this is the case, the price cannot decrease. In my perspective, that is a rather naive viewpoint. On the other hand, I believe it is stupid to believe that Bitcoin cannot drop simply due to the presence of large countries, and all of that in the market. That is my ideas and beliefs, and you guys are free to have your own. Is it possible that this will make it less likely? That is correct, but that does not indicate that it is impossible. For this reason, I don't put all of my money into the market here, for example, or here, or wherever we've bought. I always keep dry powder on the side in case we get these big pushes to the downside so that I can continue to buy when everyone else is scared. This is why I don't dump all of my money in the market somewhere else. Therefore, this is simply the beginning at this point. From where I am, it is Monday morning. However, this may vary depending on where you are. I am unable to determine what time it is. Now, however, is the time for you, gentlemen, to get ready for whatever may come on in the future. Perhaps we move our head lower, or perhaps we begin to exert ourselves. Accordingly, I have all of my trades that are still available for business at this time. Right present, the only cryptocurrencies that are experiencing a loss are XLM, Flare, and Doge. Flare has experienced a significant decline, representing a 25% decrease on our trade. Although this is not a modest trade at the moment, I intend to continue to build up on it. When we see a new surge in XRP, I believe that Flare and XLM will both begin to run. When you look at it, you can see that XRP is currently outside of our bull flag. However, it is also battling, just like Bitcoin, to break above the barrier that it is currently facing between, Between 220 and 229. Despite the fact that it is going to take some time right now, believe that this will eventually break out. I believe that the market will have another positive rise. Everyone is now on vacation. They are making an effort to unwind. There is no trade going on. A significantly lower volume is currently present in the market, and I do not believe that there will be a significant upward push in the near future until Christmas is over, during which time it will be in the past. It's possible that I'm completely off base. I believe that normally we have these pullbacks around the holiday time, and then we have a period of relaxation, and then I believe that we will start to get volume and a lot more coming into the market after Christmas, after the festivities. There is a possibility that there is one, and it is possible that I am just trying to relax over the holidays. However, I do believe that traditionally we have these pullbacks, but it is clear to us, regarding the chart of Bitcoin, there appears to be a significant level of support somewhere in the low 90s. Therefore, if we are able to consider the possibility that we may be able to raise our price, consequently, keep an eye on these areas that we have discussed today. It is possible that we will become bullish once more, if we break out here. In the event that we begin to fall below this level, potentially the low 80s are within reach. For that reason, you guys ought to be keeping an eye on that item. Now that we have the trades, we have the option of either DCAing into the ones that are in red or simply waiting patiently out the situation. In this moment, I believe it is appropriate to exercise a little bit of patience. When everyone was on edge the other day, I added to all of the transactions that I wanted to, and now we are just taking it easy and waiting to see what the future holds. But I believe that it is necessary to make preparations. Cardano is currently available for assistance on our end. XRP is currently available on support for us. For the time being, we have Bitcoin available on support. However, if all of these are true, then hopefully we are able to begin to rise once we have finished celebrating the holidays. There's a link to Us.Thanks in the description, and if you guys are interested in starting trading, or if you are looking for a new exchange to check out, you may grab $5,000 by clicking on the link. To add insult to injury, there is also BTCC, which offers a 10% deposit bonus up to $10,000. Two distinct exchanges, each with their own unique benefits, are available for you to take advantage of by following the links provided in the explanation. You are able to yito from virtually any location on the planet. All you need is an email account and a password, review the terms of service, and you will be able to begin trading virtually immediately. When you have that incredible deposit bonus right now, make sure you read the terms of service. The exchange is really straightforward to trade on, and it is very nice. Additionally, BTCC is similar to this. Having stated that, links are now included in the description. In addition, we have, once the United States enters the accumulation race, the true game theory will begin, and it is going to be a worldwide spectacle. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is reputedly storing $40 billion in Bitcoin, and nation-states are secretly positioning themselves to use Bitcoin as the ultimate strategic reserve.